Too full like I'm cold. Can't nobody hold me. Can't feel lonely. Everybody on me.
Yo, YouTube, hey man, say man, we back with another video. I'm finna show y'all how I detail my car, just the inside, not the outside. I'm not washing my car today. At least I didn't plan on it. So I'm gonna show y'all how I detail my car. It's gonna be like an ASMR or more like a voiceover or something like that. So yeah, so get ready with me. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Finna get straight into it. Alright, so as y'all can see, the car is a mess right now. But y'all just stay tuned. I'm gonna show y'all the end results. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, y'all gonna see the transformation. Just stay tuned. Y'all see I cleaned this look? I ain't even did the seats or none of that yet. I'm gonna show y'all the finished product though. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all. This is the finished product. Feel me? Alright, y'all, this is the finished product. So I got this spray away glass cleaner that I'm gonna use. It's supposed to foam up like that. Alright, it cleared up somewhat. My mirror just had spots on them, so you can't get those off. But yeah, man, that's the end of the video. If y'all like details, let me know. Hit me up, my Instagram. I'm put my new Instagram up here somewhere. It's called Eazydetails. That's the name of my soon-to-be business, you feel me, that I'm trying to start. If y'all need y'all car detailed, just let me know. I got more products, more supplies, and all that other stuff on the way, but just starting out, I'm gonna do a good job. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, support, follow, share, all of that. We gone.